Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Tally Prime and signing in as administrator so you can change system settings. Once done, select the target company and press Alt+K to open configuration quickly. This reveals current paths and basic options. Make sure you note the displayed data path under Gateway of Tally because you will compare it after saving. This first step confirms you have rights and the correct company loaded, which prevents accidental changes to other company data. You now move to the Data Configuration area. Press F12 for Configure and locate the Data Configuration section where Tally accepts a custom path. Once there, type or browse to the destination folder path you want Tally to use and confirm the entry. This tells Tally where to store and read company data. Also make sure the folder has proper red/write permissions for your user. Otherwise, Tally cannot create or update files, which would break saving and backups. Finish by restarting Tally Prime so the new data path takes effect. You need a restart to refresh internal references. After restart, open the company and confirm the data loads correctly from the new location. Check balances and 1 or 2 reports to be sure. If something fails, verify the path spelling and ensure the folder permissions allow Tally to read and write. If network path, confirm connectivity. This quick check prevents silent data loss and ensures your change worked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.